In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify Collabs, and this tutorial will guide you through each step comprehensively to ensure a smooth experience. Let's jump right into it. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard by navigating to the My Store homepage. Once you're there, look for the Settings option. This is where you will find all the configurations you can adjust for your store. Clicking on this will bring up a menu where you want to locate Apps and Sales channels. This is where you'll manage applications that integrate with your Shopify setup. Next, you need to visit the Shopify App Store. From here, you can search for new apps by typing in the search bar. In this case, simply type Collabs and hit search. Now, out of the search results, click on Shopify Collabs. This app will help you manage collaborations more efficiently. Once you are on the app page, hit the install button to continue. You'll be guided through some permissions and steps for getting the app set up in your store. Make sure you also click Install on the Shopify authorization page that appears next. With the app installed, you can go ahead and click on Get Started. This will initiate the onboarding process for setting up your Shopify Collabs environment. You'll want to focus initially on selecting a product category that best represents the types of goods you're planning to promote through collaborations. Choose carefully, since this will help tailor your experience and recommendations within the app. After this, you'll have the option to define your primary audience. For most cases, selecting everyone is a good starting point, especially if you're aiming for a broad reach across various demographics. Now you're ready to finish the setup process, so make sure to click on Finish Setup to finalize everything. Now that you've completed the initial setup, it's time to think about outreach and engagement through Shopify Collabs. Begin by inviting your affiliates to join in on this platform. It's an effective way to get existing partners involved quickly. Then you might want to create an online store page dedicated to recruiting creators. This serves as a central hub where interested collaborators can learn about your brand and get involved. Being proactive in the recruiting tab is essential. This is where you can search for creators that fit your brand's ethos. When you find a creator you'd like to partner with, click on their profile. From there, you'll see an Invite Creator option. Engage with creators who align well with your product goals and audience to optimize your collaborations. Remember, the key to effective use of Shopify Collabs lies in active engagement and clear communication with your collaborators. With these foundational steps, you're now set up to explore all the opportunities Shopify Collabs has to offer. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Happy collaborating.